Killing the cat. One day, all the mice came together to talk about the cat. We must think of a plan to get away from it, said one old mouse. It has eaten too many apples, so what shall we do? At last, one proud young mouse stood up. You know, my brothers, said the young mouse, the cat moves very quietly. We do not hear it quickly enough to escape. Let's tie a bell around the cat's neck. Then we can hear it coming and run away. Yeah! Shouted all the mice. Our smart young friend has thought of an excellent plan. Let's go and buy a bear. But just then, an old mouse spoke. Wait a minute, said the wise old mouse. Your plan is very good, but who will tie the bell on the cat? Then each mouse looked at another and they all said, Right, who? It is easy to suggest difficult things, but it is hard to do them.